So here's my GoPro 7 Hero Black. I got the bundle here on Amazon, and this one here comes with, you can see it comes with 2 batteries, and you get 2 SD cards on here as well. And I paid $329 for it. The thing is I can pay $329 just for this by itself, but why not just go for the bundle and you get actual 2 GoPro batteries, additional GoPro batteries as well. Plus you get 2 SD cards right here. So here's the 2 GoPro batteries right here, and we should have a third one actually inside the box too. And here's the 2 SD cards. You have one that's a 64 gigger and the other is a 16 gig. This was pretty much a bonus from like buying this, because again, this was like this, I could have bought this by itself at the same price, right? I might as well just go and buy the whole entire bundle and get some extra. Anyways, here's the GoPro Hero 7 Black, as you can see right here. And let's take this out here. Slide that out, just like that, and it comes in the housing here. Go ahead and just pop that out. Open this up, and we can go ahead and slide this GoPro right out, just like that. Let's see what else is in the box here. Get some pamphlets, instructions. We get all these other accessories here. So we got the charging cable right here, USB type C. Here's the battery, and we have these mounts right here. And again, we should have 2 more extra batteries. So this is a Hero 7 Black here. The thing was, I actually got the Hero 8 as well. The only thing is the Hero 8 doesn't have a mini HDMI port if you wanted to go ahead and put this onto like an external monitor or whatnot. There's only a USB type C on here, so I'm not able to use my one of these cables right here. It's a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, so I can hook this up to an external monitor through the this mini HDMI port. The GoPro 8 Black doesn't have it. So anyways, go figure.